How to manage message preview on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Yahoo Mail. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile, and now click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page right here. You will find many settings. Scroll down and you will find message preview here. Click on it, and as you can see from here, you can manage your message preview. Choose any of these: no preview or no avatars, no preview, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. Choose one of these and it will be updated. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.